Welcome to our guide on the best cryptocurrency exchanges for 2025. Today, we'll evaluate the top platforms based on fees and security. When choosing a crypto exchange, it's crucial to consider features such as transaction fees and security protocols. Let's dive into these. First, we'll compare the transaction fees of the leading exchanges. Understanding these costs can significantly impact your trading experience. Next up, let's take a closer look at deposit and withdrawal fees. Knowing what to expect can help you avoid unexpected costs. Security is paramount in the cryptocurrency landscape. We'll explore essential measures like two-factor authentication and even more advanced safeguards. Regulatory compliance plays a crucial role in ensuring exchange security. Let's see how different exchanges fare in this aspect. Another factor to consider is user feedback. We'll showcase reviews and trust ratings for each of the popular exchanges. 2025 introduces innovative security features that set newer exchanges apart. Let's highlight some of these advancements. Based on our analysis of fees and security, here are our final recommendations for the best crypto exchanges to use in 2025. Ultimately, choosing the right exchange comes down to your individual needs. We hope this guide helps you make an informed choice.